Hi, this is the interface developed to manage the smart plug, and this interface is developed using C# and Windows Form. In this interface, I have developed few features to push the new module to the actual gateway. Using this control, I will be able to choose the module and I will be able to push it to the gateway system. Once I am submitting this configuration to the Azure, then Azure would be giving this particular container registry information and the image which is stored in container registry to the gateway, and the gateway will be pulling that image from the container registry and upgrading himself. That is how Azure IoT Edge is upgrading or distributing the module to the gateways. In this section, I have put few text boxes to get the log information, and in this side you can see the connection status of that modules. There are two modules in the IoT Edge gateway by default, which is called system modules. One is Edge agent and one is Edge hub, both of them having its own module tin, and this is the information which is coming from that module tin. So as per this information, these two modules, system modules, are live and connected. This is the custom module or user module developed by me to manage the smart plug. I named it as HOTI. In this one, we can see again the status of that particular module tin and the last time on which that module got updated. Using this indication, we can understand the smart plug and the gateway is connected or not. These are the configuration or parameters which I use to manage the smart plug. IPs and certain time to live parameters and heartbeat frequency and publishing and subscribing topic. Those are the parameters which I have used for this demonstration purpose. Once we switch on that, this is the button to switch on the smart plug. Once we switch on that smart plug using this button, then the corresponding message or the signal would be passing to that gateway, and the gateway would be passing that information to the NodeMCU, and NodeMCU would be switching on the circuit, and that's how the smart plug is setting it on. So now let's see what will happen if I'm clicking on this button. So as I have clicked on this button, then immediately we can see the switch 1 message is passed from the interface, and then that message is receiving in the device side. Device is passing that information to the NodeMCU. NodeMCU is setting on that relay circuit, and after that NodeMCU is giving that information back to the cloud system, and on receival of that information, this button is changing into red color. Now I can use the same button itself to set the smart plug into off mode. So now let me click on that button again. Now we can see that the switch controller or the signal is passed as 0, so that the device would be setting into 0 state, and then that information will be getting into the tune, and this interface can look up that information from the tune and can give that representation in the color of green to the interface, so that the user can understand this smart plug is in off status. That is what about the interface. and this is the action log, and we will be able to clear that action log using this button. And there are few other flickering and uh, timer controls also I have developed for a smooth visualization perspective. That's all about the interface. Thank you for watching this video.